Hey guys, welcome back to Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we have a brand new benchmark. We're using Atelier Lydie Suelle, the Alchemists and the Mysterious Paintings for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing out the YUZU emulator once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX570 4GB VRAM graphics card. Now, this one isn't playable. I don't think it is, at least. One of the main things I've noticed is there's no buttons. You can't see any prompts or anything like that for this, but it does launch, which is what I thought was interesting, and which is why I decided to do a benchmark on it, because I do benchmarks on everything. That's literally my thing. Hey, we can even do we can uncap to go to 60 as well. But I have noticed that there's not much else to it. There's no prompts or anything. You can't see the dialogue, anything like that. I look at, she's just spinning around like, are you gonna do something or no? Or like, should I have kept it at 30? I don't know. I don't know. These are some short videos I'm doing today, man. Like, hey, I got further than this last time. The heck? Okay, there we go. There we go. Rooster, really? Right now, in the middle of my content. Damn it. I can't do anything because I actually think it's like a prompt to do something, and then it really isn't actually doing anything at all. It's just there. Listen, I got these games, so I decided to test them. Okay, it's on PC, but this game is a really bad port on PC. I hated this on PC, man. Koei Tecmo, they ain't great at the ports, man. It hurts. It hurts my soul every single time I see a game made by Koei Tecmo. Hurts me. Nonetheless, the cutscene runs, but it seems like the Atelier games have some issues on the Switch, which isn't going to stop me from testing all of them, so stay tuned for that. But that's why I said, we're doing at least maybe 20 videos today. It's going to be a lot of videos, man, because a lot of them are going to be quite short. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. As you know, I test everything on here, RPC history, YUZU, and Xenia, as well as PC games for my Intel HD graphics. Very low-end stuff. We try to get the games running, guys. We try to get them running on low-end hardware. RTX 570. We can go either way. If you'd like to see something specific, you can just leave a comment down below. I test with the Intel HD 620, the Iris 540, the 4600, and like I said, the RX 570. Any of those you want to see something on, just leave a comment down below and leave it for which one you'd like to see it for. Sorry, the camera goes by itself and you guys move, but I can't see the text. There's no text. I'm sorry. I don't know when you're talking. And it gives you the illusion that it's going to run. We get to here and it's like, oh my gosh, well, you know, that wasn't so bad. But freeze. And that's the end of that, because that seems to be the end. I never use real drinks. I don't feel like it. I'll see you guys next time.